Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be here with me today. Walter here at the workbench with the new Larch Smoother. Just about have it all ready for finishing. And I thought we should give it a name. So it sort of has the look of a whale, but it's not a very big plane. So why don't we call it the Guppy? What do you think? Would that fly? This is the Guppy. A guppy is a small fish. A whale is a big fish. So I have not yet done my research as to what woods are compatible with larch. This is a piece of tulip poplar I'm planing. And I would say that it's probably on par with the larch. I will get back to you on that. But some people have asked, why this design? Well, it's got a couple of benefits. Number one, you dropped your number 3 or your number 4 or your number 2. Oh, heaven forbid you dropped your number 1 on the concrete floor and you broke it. Well, more than likely, unless it landed on the blade, you didn't break the blade or the lever cap or the chip breaker. So you could salvage all of the plane parts and build yourself a plane to replace that plane for now. That was one thought that I had. The other thought is you go to what we call here in America flea markets. Over in other countries, they call it a car boot sale, the boot being the trunk. And you come across lever caps, blades, and cap irons, or double iron sets, etc. Or you come across a plane that's so rusted, but you still can get a lever cap out of it and a blade and a chip breaker. You're following me? There's no sense to let these go to waste or just keep reselling them over and over and over on eBay. Now, agreeably, I could have chosen a better wood. And I have a piece of hard rock maple that I brought in from my one woodshed, which I am considering for my next plane build. It needs to acclimate to this room because it was out in a shed that's unheated. So, yes, I could have chosen a better wood. Even poplar, cherry would definitely be better than the larch. However, the larch is hard. Um, and being that I got it, let me see if I can show you the orientation, where the soul is in the sapwood and the heartwood's at the top. and I have it so that it's going from front to back. You see that? Front to back. And if you look at the sole, it's all pretty well flat grain. So it should wear well. So what do you think about the name, the Guppy? Thanks for stopping by. It means a lot to me. Let me know what you think. If you have a better name for it, the Larch Smoother, number 3 size. And if you have any questions or comments, suggestions, put it down in the comments section. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and head out to your workshop and go build a plane this way or some other way. Walter out.